soft light. Blue is calm, blue is slow. Blue feels peaceful like waters flow. Yellow shines, yellow glows. Yellow feels happy like a small warm rose. Colors, colors all around. Soft and gentle sight and sound. Look and breathe, nice and slow. Find the colors as they show. Blue is cold, green is mild. Green feels quiet, nature styled. Orange pops, orange plays. Orange feels cheerful in gentle ways. Purple hums, soft and true. Purple feels dreamy